What's going on? TK with Master Wealth Builders LLC coming at you with the benefits of life insurance. The idea here is just to educate the public, to get you to sit down, schedule a consultation, get life insurance, get coverage for your family. So the main thing is that people don't know. When you talk to the average person, they don't know the benefits of life insurance. So I want to highlight a few key things. Number one is tax-free cash accumulation. When you talk about saving money in a traditional 401k, or if you talk about saving in an IRA, there's accumulation over the term of your life. But you gain more in life insurance. You're looking at 6 to 8% based on past performance. So that's a higher percentage than what's available. Some people say, well, I can get more in the stock market. Yes, but it's not tax-free accumulation. So that's one of the main benefits. Another thing you should look at outside of tax-free cash accumulation, keep in mind that life insurance gives you the opportunity to take advantage of long-term positioning. Think about it. If you position yourself in this medium, not only do you create a legacy, you also create over, let's say, 20 years, enough where you can borrow against your policy. Now, you could speed that up simply by contributing the maximum amount every single year in addition to paying your premiums, but borrowing against your policy. Some cases you can borrow with a 0% loan, but borrowing against your policy. So to have cash accumulation tax-free, to have the ability to borrow against it, those are key factors. Another simple educational point: outside of borrowing against your policy is riders. There's a bunch of additional riders that you can add to your policy. Something simple like disability rider, income for life rider. These are benefits that come with modern policies. So talk about your 401k. You save over the course of your lifetime while you're at work. Then one day it runs out. You can add an income for life rider. You can convert a 401k into an IUL or into an annuity and not have to worry about running out of money. So that's another benefit. Income for life. So we talked about borrowing against your policy, income for life, additional riders. Talked about tax-free cash accumulation. Another main issue is being able to structure your life so that you have peace of mind in case something happens to you. Eventually something might happen to you, so you want to have peace of mind. There's a bunch of testimonial videos where people, while they're still alive, was able to use their policy. The face value of your policy can be borrowed up to 80%, and guess what? You can use that income if you have a triggering event, and then it gives you peace of mind. So that's another primary benefit: being able to have a policy over your life, being able to leverage that policy in case something happens to you, giving your family peace of mind, not having to worry about GoFundMe, not having to worry about finances in the event of a major situation. That's the reason why we need to change the narrative. We need to get people involved. I would love to see people that look like me to get coverage. Our community lacks and doesn't take this serious. We need to change the face of insurance. Contact a licensed professional. Get your family coverage. Let's get people involved. Let's get people serious about insurance and having a policy. So you can save money over your lifetime. You can build cash value. You can borrow against that cash value. You gain tax-free advantages. There are only certain situations where is not tax-free. Three that I can think of off the top of my head, and that's if a business owns it, if you buy it from policy from someone else, or if you take a withdrawal from your policy where the amount you took out was more than the amount you put in. Outside of that, you're looking at a tax-free cash accumulation. And typically it will perform better than saving in a 401k because you have that guaranteed principal. That's another benefit. You never lose the amount that you put in. Your principal is guaranteed to stay level. If the market goes down, your account never goes down. You have the chance to protect your principal. So another benefit. All of these things are the reason why you should save money in life insurance policy. Get an IUL, Indexed Universal Life. Get an index annuity. Add that to your portfolio. Even if you still want a 401k, you can have both. You can have that peace of mind that comes with diversity in your investments. But you won't get tax-free if you stick with IRA or 401k. You won't have the ability and the benefits unless you stick with insurance. I want you guys to get educated. I want you guys to get ahead of the game. Go to Amazon and get this book. This is a $10 book. It's Amazon bestseller. And it is a way to generate wealth. It's a way to generate wealth in your family. It's a way to leverage and hedge the possibility of something happening. We just need to get more people involved. Set up a consultation. Use the link in my bio to explore what is available to you. I'm giving you the benefits, but you have to give yourself the coverage. I just want to get more people that's melanated involved in insurance. Really want to get you guys to the point where our communities have $1 million coverage or $1 million IUL, $1 million annuity. We can do it. You know, if you cover your children while they're young, by the time they turn my age, they'll probably have $1 million in their policy. As long as you max it out, as long as you contribute to it, in addition to paying your premiums, you can build it. And then your child has something that he can leverage later on in life to do wonderful things. It's a smart idea. Parents, get your children an IUL. Use this as your savings. You're not going to get 6 to 8% in any other medium. Compound interest is another wonderful benefit. It's the fourth wonder of the world. So in IUL, you have indexing and an index annuity. That means that, you know, you're not participating in the market. You're just using that market as a barometer to credit your account. So we got to get more people involved. If any of this information makes sense to you, hit me up. Share this video. Let's get the word out. The idea is to educate the public. There's a lot of benefits that come with having a policy. And it's not death insurance. It's actually love insurance because you're covering yourself in case.